Hello everyone, this is Payal Vaja. In this video, we will discuss about tablet granulation techniques. First one, what is granulation? Granulation process may be defined as a process wherein small particles adhere together by forming a bonds between them and resulting in formation of large aggregates that are called as granules. That means what is granulation process? Granulation process, it is a one type of process in which small particles are stick together by bonding formation and which result in formation of large aggregates or large particle that are called as granules. Bonds are formed by two methods. First one is slugging method that are also called as dry granulation method, and second one is using a binding agent that are also called as wet granulation method. Next one is requirements of granules or advantages of granules over the powders. First one is to enhance flow property of powder. Granules avoid a weight variation study. It also produces uniform mixture, and granules avoid poor content uniformity. It also improve compaction characteristic. It produces dust-free environment compared to powders. To avoid powder segregation in case of granulation, and material which are slightly hygroscopic or which may adhere and form a cake if it is stored as a powder. So in case of powder, stability issue is also occur. Next one is segregation. What is segregation? Segregation means separation. Powder that is separated out before granulation. So granulation or role of granulation is prevent a separation of powder or segregation of powder. Method of granulation. First one is direct compression method. Second one is dry granulation method. And next one is wet granulation method. First one is direct compression method. Direct compression is a dry process wherein the powdered material is compressed directly into the tablets without physical nature of former being modified. That means direct compression, it is a dry process in which a powder material is compressed with the help of tablet compression machine. Examples, first one is formulation of ascorbic acid tablets and second one is formulation of chewable antacid tablets. Both are prepared by direct compression method. That is the flow chart of direct compression method. First one is drug is added into a mixture and drug it is in a dry form. Second one is drug and excipient are mixed with the help of mixture. Final one, drug and excipient mixture are directly compressed with the help of tablet compression machine, and finally in last step tablet is ejected out. Direct compression procedure that have three steps. First one is grinding. In grinding, drug is added to the granulator and grinded. Second one is blending or mixing. In this step, the suitable adjuvant or excipients are added in a blender and mixed thoroughly. Last one is tablet press machine. The blended powder material is compressed by machine tooling such as dies and punches of tablet compression machine or tablet press. Direct compression method. When we use direct compression method, particularly for crystalline material, we prefer direct compression method. Second one is it is also used for free flowing materials. It is used for material that have a good compression properties. And finally, in direct compression method, which type of excipients are preferred, like a lactose, spray dried lactose AV cell pH 102 and 200, that are the example of diluents. Next one is advantages of direct compression method. It is a simple, easy and quick method compared to other method like dry granulation method and wet granulation method. It requires fewer excipients. It is a time-saving method because of directly compression, and it is a cost-effective method compared to other methods. Disadvantages of direct compression method. Segregation in hopper which may occur. So in some cases, separation of powder in hopper is occur during tablet compression process. Next one is flow problem which may occur, and last one is weight variation is occur due to poor flow property of powders. In next lecture, we will discuss regarding dry granulation method. Thank you.